Okay, you guys that traveled before we got out of school before last Friday, I didn't get a chance to explain to you the last section on trapezoids, which is section 5.5, which is the last section in the chapter. So a trapezoid is nothing more than a special quadrilateral. And being a quadrilateral, it has four sides. And the key thing about these quadrilaterals is that we have two sides, and only two sides, that are parallel. And these sides that are parallel are called bases. In this case, top and bottom. And these sides that are non-parallel are called legs. We can have a special type of parallelogram that has not only parallel sides, but that the legs are equal. That looks a little better. If that is equal to that, that is called an isosceles trapezoid. So again, isosceles trapezoid, two parallel sides. The non-parallel sides are equal in length. It's called a base angle. This is called a base angle. And that's about the entire definitions that you really need to know with the trapezoids. Now, two introductory theorems. If we have, and I'm in theorem 518, if we have an isosceles trapezoid, then the base angles are equal, which is pretty straightforward. Now, we can also, in a trapezoid, regardless of whether it's isosceles or not, we can have a line that connects the midpoints of each leg. And if we represent that with midpoints, we can connect these two midpoints here. And again, this means this. It doesn't necessarily have to be an isosceles trapezoid. And that line is called a median. Now, with that definition, we have theorem 519, and it talks about some special aspects of the median of a trapezoid. And as you might guess from the it looks like it theorem, if we have a median of a trapezoid, then it is also parallel to the bases. And importantly, this length here of the median is not equal to half of this. It is equal to the average of these two bases. So that, and again, this is theorem 519, if, for example, this base was, let's say, 4, and this base was 6, the length of the median would be equal to 4 plus 6 over 2, which is 5. Okay, so really it's the average of the two.